Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the differences between hard-working people and idle people. Hard workers create opportunities, while the idle find endless excuses. Diligent individuals attract many chances, whereas the unproductive are full of excuses. People who work diligently discover abundant opportunities. Those who are ineffective constantly invent justifications. Action opens doors to possibilities, but inaction breeds a multitude of excuses. The industrious sees many chances. The unproductive cling to countless excuses. Where the worker finds pathways, the useless person finds only reasons why not. Productive people encounter numerous opportunities, while the idle have an excuse for everything. Effort unlocks a wealth of chances, but laziness stockpiles a treasury of excuses. The difference is clear. Workers build opportunities. The inactive build alibis. Those who apply themselves gain access to possibilities, while the ineffective rely solely on excuses.